You good?
I'm good now. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today it's gonna be a little bit of everything, you know, like this, that. You know, it's a vlogging my day. So right now, I'm gonna wax my armpits.
Sure.
My mom's gonna wax my armpits, and I'm gonna be so scared. I just don't feel like shaving them to show you guys, like, no. So yeah, so come on, Mom, turn on the waxer.
You're so transparent. It's scary.
What do you mean?
You used to be like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that.
Come on, I'm already scared.
Girl, why you tell me come on? It has to warm.
Exactly, you still have to warm it up. Anyways, I still gotta pack my clothes too because I'm going to Nisha's house and I'm not coming back till tomorrow. Like always, we're going to Monkey Joe's tomorrow, and yeah. Baby, can you warm up the waxer?
Baby.
So I don't really need, and then like I'm doing the half Instagram control my day type thing, but they're only gonna be controlling half of my day, not my whole day, because the rest of my day is kind of planned, you know. You know, I was supposed to get a tattoo today, but the tattoo man never texted me back. But he did last night. But you know, not.
It's my birthday.
You know, like. So I'm about to get my armpits waxed. I'm scared. Ah! So, as y'all can tell by the last clip, my reaction to that, never again. One armpit is waxed, one armpit is not. So, we just gonna get on with this this video. So, back to Instagram controlling my day or whatever. So, the first thing I did was Starbucks or Dunkin', but I'm not there yet. So right now I picked out my outfit and I asked her what color I should wear. I said blue or maroon because I had bought these new sweaters yesterday. But yeah, look. I said, and they said blue, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing her and some tights and some sandals because it's kind of hot outside, but like it's gonna be kind of cool to me because like me, I get cool. So when I get dressed, I'm gonna, y'all, I don't feel like doing anything right now. Like my day, like, cause like I would tell y'all, but we ain't there yet. One day I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on in my life. One day I'm gonna tell y'all. One day I'm gonna tell y'all. Like this channel gonna be deeper than what it is now. One day, like. But yeah. So Nisha is coming to get me. Period. Like always. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Between 20 and okay. I honestly feel like she knows when I like need to like get out. Like. But yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna do my hair and stuff. I think I'm gonna leave my hair how it is. It's like this. I'm gonna put a picture right there, but it's like that right now. But I don't know, I might just like put it all up in like a puff thing and like with the clamp and just have it like that. With still keep these though, but I'm gonna go fix my hair and stuff. So this is what I have on. I have on the sweater and some tights and these. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for Nisha to get here and we're gonna go and yeah. Y'all, I have a serious question for the females that's in a relationship. What do you get a guy? You know, like you know how you be wanting to show like affection and stuff, but y'all like long distance. You know, he sends you flowers and, you know, edible items. What do you get him? If you're not in a relationship, don't answer that question. But if you are, hit me up. I'll put my Instagram right here. Like, DM me now, because I need to know. It's an emergency. It's an emergency, okay? But Nisha's here, y'all. She's here, and I'm about to go and get in a call with her. Because, yeah, I feel like my face is so messed up because I have so much acne right now. Like, I've been stressing out a lot. But, yeah. So, yeah. So, I'm leaving. I'm bringing a cupcake for Nisha. Not really her. You feel me? God dang it, though. Why would she get in the car? I don't even have my key out. This car. She's getting in the car right now. There she goes. Hi. But yeah.
I got a sweater on. It's so hot outside.
Because I bought it last night.
All this stuff is so hot out here.
Anywho, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna let Instagram control my day anymore because oh wait, Starbucks won.
Are you going to Starbucks?
Yes.
I love me a hard working man.
Or Dunkin' and Starbucks won. Dunkin' was winning a couple minutes ago, but I was gonna get Starbucks anyway. Y'all, bro, look at this. She trying to text me.
Why am I trying to text her?
Hello? Oh my god.
What?
We gotta go back.
Hold iPad. I was trying to make a U-turn, but it really didn't work out.
Alright, we coming back, man. Bro, y'all almost just went out the window. And I wasn't being dramatic this time.
Hold iPad.
And then she gave me the iPad. Like, what? Wait. How do you spell Auga? You feel me? We at the Starbucks.
What?
The Starbucks. Period. But yeah, we gonna get what we always get. Strawberry a case, you know. Period.
ICA. Watch how they correct me. They're open.
Hello, my name is Sasara. What's your name?
I'm sorry?
Hi, my name is Sasara. What is your name?
What's your name?
Nisha.
What can we get started for you?
Hi. Come on. What you getting? I'm gonna get Wendy's.
A strawberry ICA.
Can I have a strawberry ICA
Okay.
With lemonade.
with lemonade, please?
What size?
Grande.
Grande.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all. That's so odd, right?
Oh, we
I
should
never
get
get
food
Wendy's.
from our job. Nah.
We can. How much you be?
I mean, I do get a discount, so.
Our money, I gotta pick up our money at like 4. And she's gonna get a drink.
Yeah.
Are you not hungry?
I am a little bit, but I'm not gonna eat.
So what are you gonna eat today?
Nothing.
There's not shit at my house.
Oh, Chick-fil-A.
When?
I don't know. Probably when we go back to your side of town. You know? This girl is funny, bro.
Yeah, I totally got that girl gave me her money. I was like about 520.
580? Oh, it was 20?
80.
Oh, she said 580. I gave you more money.
Once I start talking to this camera, I forget everything that's going on. Like,
It smells real good in there.
it really do. I want coffee now. Not from here. Where do I be getting coffee from? Here?
Dunkin'.
Yes, I want Dunkin'. I want Dunkin'.
Thank you.
420. Oh, it's time to 2020 vision.
City girls winning, calling us bullshit.
Bitch, we 20. Look at that. Stop playing. Anyways,
They can't even see my camera. I'm so stupid.
yeah, she was recording.
I need my Wendy's.
Oh, get your Wendy's first,
I'm
duh.
really hungry.
Oh, she hungry.
Are you kidding me, bro?
Anyways,
You
Starbies.
can't drive it. I can tell, Bookie. Let me back up for you. Go ahead, Pooh. Cause you gonna piss me off with that tutor thing. That's what that is, a tutor thing. This girl kills me. Like, I swear, y'all. This girl. Like, why you gotta do it?
Why they didn't close my thing all the way, and then they didn't give me no straws. I just wasted.
Did they give you a paper straw?
No.
Awesome.
We finna. What's the next poll? Next poll. I'm not gonna follow that one because it literally said. Cause first of all, the man that was gonna do my tattoo, he didn't take it back.
I'll get back to y'all when we doing something more exciting, or we're not getting my food.
Yeah, but
yeah, cause I already got like 16 minutes of video recorded.
It says go shopping or get a tattoo. I don't think I'm doing neither because she said she don't. Actually, we are going shopping.
Spicy chicken combo.
No, your dry ass.
What is it?
Anyways,
You want to try a spicy chicken combo?
y'all, we at the mall and we see a lot of people going in there, but so getting a tattoo is canceled for today. But we just gonna go a little shopping instead. You feel me? Cause I'm still kind of, you know, I'm a little emotional right now. And every time I'm emotional, I go shopping. Last time I was emotional, I went to Urban Planet and balled out. So we're gonna go to Charlotte Russe and ball the fudge out. We in Aero Pasta. I got some tights. So y'all, I was just picking on Nisha about her boots. But I had a vision that came with these boots on my feet. So I might get them. You feel me? But I just wish that.
How I make my decisions nowadays is crazy. So heads, I'm gonna get them. Tails, I'm not gonna get them. Hey Siri, flip a coin. Tails. What I say? You said heads, you'll get it. Tails, you're not. I'm getting them. Let's go.
Okay. Y'all, so I got the boots. You feel me? She just asked me if we were done. I mean, I guess we're done. I don't care. Are you done? Are you done? You done? She's done. So I guess we're done. She always got that look on her face, like she be like
Missing something.
she missing something. Okay, y'all, so I'm over this. At this point, I'm ready to beat the baby up. So yeah, we went to the mall. I got me some tights and some boots because we going somewhere tomorrow and I need an outfit. Yeah. So now we're at Bell's. And hopefully I find something in here.